This is a 2016 Chevy Traverse with the LTZ package on it. It has the pearl white paint, so it's got all the sparkle in it. It's got the 20-inch rims. It's got the privacy glass in the rear. This has the Michelin tires on it with a ton of tread left. These are probably fairly new. They are the Premier series, so these are very, very nice tires. It's got the reverse parking sensors, backup camera, they're the Defender LTX. Got the blinker there on the side mirror. Not as easy to see this side because the sun's not on it, so it looks a little bluish. So you got a backup camera. You can see it has the lane change alert as well as forward collision alert. You got the AM, FM, XM radio as well as Bluetooth. This one does have built-in navigation. Got your dual zone automatic climate control system. Cooled seats, heated seats, both driver and passenger. You have your power lift gate. Underneath that, a USB and a 12-volt port. You got your Bluetooth. This one has 68,000 miles. You got a heated steering wheel, and then here's your cruise control access. Got automatic headlights. Has a really cool console system here. So here, just starting in here, you have a super deep pocket there with the 12-volt port. Put your cover back on, then you got this little cover there, then this console slides, so that's really nice. You got a little storage compartment there as well. On the door here you have your driver memory seat function with the easy entry exit, so you can pre-program your side mirrors, driver's seat, and save it. So next time you get in, it auto recalls to that position. You got your power folding side mirrors, power adjustable driver seat. There's your brushed aluminum door sill plate. Got some upgraded WeatherTech rubber floor mats. Got your sunroof. Going on the back side, captain's chairs. Same thing, got the WeatherTech rubber floor mats on top of the carpet mats. This is a third row. There's your third row. Second row also has, it's not a full functioning sunroof, but it is like a panoramic fixed glass. So very, very cool. And then this one also has the Panasonic DVD player system. There's climate control access here in the rear. You have a 120-volt port as well as a 12-volt, and then down low you have your two USB charging ports. This is a power lift gate. pretty good cargo space there for some storage. Got your 12-volt port here. Another good view of the sunroof, DVD, all that good stuff. And then there's your power liftgate button. And then it is keyless entry, and it has a built-in remote start.